Why is it so hard to focus today, even on simple things? Even for just a few minutes? What if your brain isn't broken, but simply overwhelmed? This is Origins Beyond, where we explore the hidden forces shaping your mind. In today's world, your attention is constantly under attack. Notifications, short videos, endless scrolling. Your brain has adapted to expect constant stimulation. And because of that, deep focus feels unnatural. But here's the good news. You can fix it. And it doesn't take months. Just 7 days. If you do it the right way. Day 1. Reset your input. Start by reducing noise. Turn off non-essential notifications. Limit social media. And give your brain space to breathe. This is the first step. Because focus doesn't come from doing more. It comes from removing distractions. Day 2. Train your attention. Set a timer for just 10 minutes. And focus on one task. No switching. No checking your phone. Just 10 minutes. It may feel difficult. Even uncomfortable. That's normal. You're retraining your brain. Day 3. Fix your dopamine balance. Constant stimulation has lowered your baseline, which makes everything else feel boring. So take breaks from high stimulation. No short videos. No endless scrolling. Let your brain reset. Day 4. Improve your environment. Your surroundings affect your focus. Clear your workspace. Reduce noise. Create a space where your brain knows it's time to concentrate. Day 5. Use deep work blocks. Increase your focus time from 10 minutes to 25. Then take a short break and repeat. This builds mental endurance, like training a muscle. Day 6. Fix your energy. Focus depends on energy. Sleep, hydration, and nutrition all play a role. Even mild dehydration can reduce focus significantly. So drink enough water and fuel your brain properly. Day 7. Protect your attention. This is where most people fail. They improve, then go back to constant distraction. Your attention is your most valuable resource. Protect it, because once you regain focus, everything changes. You think clearer. You learn faster. You feel more in control. So the question is, will you keep letting your attention be controlled? Or will you take it back? If you want to understand how your brain really works, and how to take control of it, subscribe to Origins Beyond, and explore what lies beyond the known.